With just a few days remaining for the launch of both iPhone 12 and Google Pixel 5, this will be the biggest face-off between the two tech giants' flagship devices. While Google has gone for the mid-range processor for the Pixel 5, and on the other hand, Apple's iPhone 12 will be powered by its latest processor. So will the Pixel 5 be able to put up a fight with the iPhone 12? Let's check out in this video. Let's start with the display. The Pixel 5 will feature a 6-inch Full HD OLED panel with 90Hz refresh rate. The front will feature minimum bezels all around, and unlike the previous Pixel 4, there won't be any air gesture or 3D face unlock feature in the Pixel 5. Instead, there will be a single punch hole on the top left for the front camera. iPhone 12, on the other hand, will have a slightly bigger 6.1-inch OLED display. There won't be any high refresh rate option in the base variant of the iPhone 12. Apple has also rumored to shorten the size of the notch compared to previous iPhones. Both Pixel 5 and iPhone 12 will be rated IP68 dust and water resistant. In the processor department, Google has surely disappointed its users. The Pixel 5 will be powered by Snapdragon 765G chipset, which has far lower performance than the other flagship devices that use Snapdragon 865 processor. Along with Snapdragon 765G processor, the device will come paired with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage. As for the iPhone 12, Apple will be using its latest A14 Bionic chip, which upon launch will surely be the fastest processor in any smartphone. The A14 chip will be paired with 4GB RAM, along with up to 256GB internal storage, as per the price. Both devices will be 5G supported. iPhone 12, on one hand, will only support sub-6 GHz frequency. On the other hand, Pixel 5 will support both Wave and sub-GHz 5G frequencies. Now coming to the camera section, Google's Pixel series is mostly known for its high-quality camera performance. Similar to Pixel 4, the Pixel 5 will also feature a 12.2-megapixel primary sensor and now also adds a 16-megapixel ultra-wide lens. Pixel 5 also has better image processing capabilities than its predecessor. Apple's iPhone 12 will also feature a dual camera setup similar to iPhone 11, with a wide-angle primary camera along with an ultra-wide sensor. As of now, camera details of the iPhone 12 has not been revealed yet, but we can safely assume that Apple will surely improve its photography output. The Pixel 5 will hold a 4000 mAh battery. It is a massive upgrade from the previous Pixel 4. When paired with the battery-efficient Snapdragon 756G, you will surely get long battery life. The Pixel 5 also supports wireless charging, as well as reverse wireless charging. As of now, battery details for the iPhone 12 is not revealed yet. Now as for the prices, Pixel 5 is expected to be priced at $649. According to the specs, it surely looks heavily priced, but only real-world usage will tell whether it lived up to its price or not. As for iPhone 12, the base variant will start at $699. Looking at the specs so far, the pricing seems just right. That's all from the video. Who do you think will the winner between the Pixel 5 and iPhone 12? You can comment down below your opinions. We will be back with more news in the next video.